Namaste Coders. I hope you are fine, doing well in your life. So I have just solved the LeetCode problem of the day and uploaded the video. You can go through the LeetCode problem of the day playlist and check out the solution. So now we are gonna solve the problem from LeetCode 75. We have solved all the first problems from all the given topics, right? So that's we have solved. Now we are gonna solve the second problems of every topic till here. Then we will solve third problem, then fourth and fifth, and that's how we will solve this LeetCode 75 series. So let's start with the second problem, which is greatest common divisor of strings. I have tried this solution earlier. I will try to explain you well, so stay tuned with me, stay on this video till end. I have some more things to share with you, so I will share those things in the last, right? So stay with me till end. So let's start this problem. The problem is greatest common divisor of strings. So this is an easy type of problem. Topics are math and string. So let's make a system that how we will solve every problem of DSA. Like first we will discuss the details, right? What is given and what is required. So we will discuss this in detail, right? All the details, what is given, what is required. Then second, we will discuss the native ROACH approach in detail, right? Or what can we will start with native approach, right? Third, then we will optimize that approach, optimize native approach. So this is how we will gonna solve the all other problems also, including this problem, right? So first thing, right, what is given? So let's discuss this out. What is given? So let's see. We have given two strings, right? So this is string 1 and string 2. What we have to do, we have to find the largest string x which divides both these strings s1 and s2, right? What the meaning of divide means? So let's say we have a string a b a b a b a b, and we have another string, so let's say a b, and we have a string a b a b a b. So the ab string ab can divide this string and this string, both these strings, right? Digit string ab ab, right? ab ab can divide this string, because ab we can make this string as ab plus ab ab, but we cannot make a string we cannot make this string using ab ab, right? So the for this the answer is ab, right? Let's say we have abc and this, so the answer for this is 0, because there is no such string which can divide the whole string, right? There is no string which can divide the whole string. So this is the example. There is no string which can divide this string other than lead. If there is, like, if the second string is something like this, this, then this, so we can say this is the answer. So that is thing. So what is given? We have given two strings, and we have to find a string x which can divide this as well as this. We have to find the maximum string, largest string x, right? So for this answer is abc, because abc can divide this and this. Okay, what is the native approach? I hope you understand the details well. Let's discuss the native approach. So the native approach, what we can do, we can see that we have to do a lot of things. Yeah, I mean, we have to take I here and I here, and we have to check that, okay, if AB is common, AB A is common, AB is common, ABC is common, here like A is common, B is common, A is common, B is common, then this string is getting completed. We have to we have to use a lot of things, right? Use it for the native approach. We have to use we have to use so many loops, so many things for checking that, okay, if how many strings are repeating here, how many strings are repeating here. So like what we can do, we can check that if so. Okay, so let's write it down. So let's FIRST first find the repeated string in str1. So we have to find the repeated string in str1. How we can solve? We can do that. We have to take a string A and we can check if we can make this string 1 using A. So that is not possible. Then we will make AB, and we will check that if we can make string S1 using AB. So yes, so for this AB, this is string 1 will be AB. Similarly, we will do the same thing for str2. This is also a AB, right? AB. Okay. Now we can see. Then what we'll do? We will combine AB multiple times, right? So we will do. So for the in the third iteration, we'll check if we assume n into this AB is the answer. So find n. So what we'll do, we can assume that like n, like 3 times AB or 4 times AB is the answer, is what required. Then we have to find n. So what we'll do, we'll take n is equals to 1. So means we know that AB can divide this as well as this. Then we will make n is equals to 2. That means we'll consider AB as the answer, and we'll check that if AB can divide this as well as this. So if yes, the answer will become AB, then we will update n is 3. So we will make answer is AB, and we will check if AB can divide this and this. When we stop, right, so we will return the answer. At the point we stop, we will return the answer of previous state, right? So that's the native approach. So how to optimize this? There is lot of things here, right? this can be done in n square, this will be done in n square, then this will be done in again n. There is a lot of time complexities, right? So first thing came in my mind is we have to check if they have a common strings or not, right? So if this is possible or not. I mean if str1 is equals to t plus t plus t plus t, right? And str2 is equals to, should be t plus t, something like that, right? So we can say str1 should be n into t and str2 should be m into 2. This should be the case for this, right? And we consider t as the answer, right? So this should be the case. Without this consideration, we cannot. So if this is not the case, we have to return this. Okay, I hope you understand this, right? So there should be a t which can construct str1 as well as str2. So that's the answer, right? So what we can do, what we can say str1 plus str2 is equals to m plus n into t, right? This is the simple maths. Is equals to str2 plus str1, right? Because this is simple maths, right? So what we have to check, right? str1 plus str2 is equals to str2 plus str1, So first of all, we have to check this. If this condition satisfied, then we will go to the next step. This is the first step for checking. If this is not true, we will return an empty string. So that is the first case. So this will reduce lot of things, right? So first thing is check validity, I can say, of the cases. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the largest string now. So let's say this has n into t, this is m into t. We have to find the largest from n and m, right? So this is nothing but greatest common divisor, right? GCD. This is the simple maths problem. So this is we have to find GCD of n comma m, right? And then we have the answer is, so let's say this is g, so answer is g into t. So this is the answer. I hope you understand my solution problem. So let's say n is 4 and m is 2, right? So the GCD will be 2, right? So if this is the case, AB and AB, so there are 4 AB and there are 2 AB, so the largest string is nothing but AB. Okay, cool. Ooh. And how to find this T? How to find this T? Okay, got it. So instead of finding GCD of this n and m, right, this is n into t, which is nothing but capital N, right? And let's say t has a length 3 or 4, or let's say x. So nx, which is equals to length of str1, right? Similarly, this is m into x, similarly length of str2, right? So if we find the GCD for these two, right, we will find the GCD of m into n, m comma n. So the GCD, we have to find GCD of nx and mx, right, which is equals to GCD of, there is a property, greatest common divisor of a comma b is equals to greatest common divisor of ax comma bx, right? So sorry, my bad. This is the x into greatest common divisor of, so x into greatest common divisor of a into b is equals to nothing but greatest common divisor of ax comma bx. So this is nx, x is nothing but x into GCD of n comma m, right, using the previous property. So let's write down this so this is the property. So this is nothing but x into GCD of n into m, n comma m, right? And that's all we need to find. We need to find this length, right? So this, we have to return the answer str1, this thing. So this will return our answer. So I hope you understand this concept well. So let's revise this again. What we will do, what we have given, two strings, and it is given that these two strings can be so these two strings, and it is given that there is a string s, or I can say there is a string t which can divide s, right? So t can be called as divisor of S, right? So we have to find the greatest divisor of str1 and str2, right? We have discussed the native approach, then we have discussed the optimized one using maths properties of GCD, greatest common divisor, and some other formulas. If you are struggling with these this thing, I suggest you to go through this part again. So now we are starting with the coding part. So what we have to do, we have to first find the validity. So we have to check this. So if str1, so what I have given, str1 str2, yeah. So if str1 plus str2 is not equals to str2 plus str1, right? So what we'll do, we will return an empty string. So first case is validate. Now what we have to find, we have to return this, right? So GCD we can import from maths. So this is nx and mx, so this can be replaced with, so answer is nothing but str1. This is nothing but this nx plus mx, and this is str1. GCD of nx and mx is nothing but this length of str1 and length of str2. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll return ur and return str1 GCD. Okay, so we have to import it from maths. So what we can do, we can use maths.gcd length of str1, length of str2. I hope this will work. Let's see if maths.gcd works or not. Maths is not defined, so from maths import GCD, it's like math, I think. Maths is not defined. I think we have to use this. So yeah guys, this is getting passed. Let's submit this. So yeah, this is getting passed in the 100% beat. So this is the only solution, right? But we have to go through, we have to discuss all the details earlier to find this solution. So that is the importance of native approach, that is the importance of detailing and all, right? So I hope you understand this problem well. If you find this solution good, if you find this video helpful, you can share your thoughts in the comment section. Also you can go through the other videos of LeetCode 75 in my playlist. Other than that, you can also check out the videos from LeetCode daily problem of the day. The link of the playlist is given in the description box. I have also started a WhatsApp channel in which we can you can directly contact me, you can directly connect with me or other good coders. We are making a community that will be helpful in doubt solving, any discussion regarding anything, any approach, any algorithm. If you are struggling anywhere, you can ask directly in the group. We can also start some good project, right, which will be helpful for our resumes, our industrial skills and all. We can also start some freelancing project, right? So there is a there is a lot of use cases for a community. So I suggest you to join that group. I have given the link in the description box. So that's all from my side. Thank you.